Good morning, dear student. Let's learn new opposite words. Yesterday we do so many words. These opposite words. Do you remember? Small, big, short, tall, low, high, day, night, front, back, curly, straight, fast, slow, sad, happy, new, old, laugh, cry, full, empty, clean, dirty. So now let's turn to the next word. In this word, look at in this picture. Here are two pencils. This red one and green one. The red pencil is sharp. So the spelling of it SHAP, SHARP, sharp. And the second green pencil is blunt, BLUNT. You can see the difference between these two. Sharp opposite blunt, or you can say blunt opposite sharp. So sharp opposite blunt, blunt opposite sharp. Let's move to next picture. In this picture, do you get this? There are two owls. Which one? First one is having lightweight and second one is having heavy load or weight. So LIGHT, light, HEAVY, heavy. Heavy opposite light, or light opposite heavy. Heavy opposite light, light opposite heavy. Let's move to the next picture. In this picture, quiet and noisy. The boy is doing clapping or something. He is playing something, drum or bass drum like that. So it's very noisy. NOISY, noisy. QUIET, quiet. Noisy opposite quiet. Girls saying shh, don't shout. So quiet opposite noisy, or you can say noisy opposite quiet. Okay, so now move on to the next picture. In this picture, fat and thin. These are two girls. First one is thin, 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 and second one is fat, FAT, fat. So fat opposite thin, thin opposite fat. The girl wearing red frock and blue sweater, she is fat, and the girl wearing only red frock, she is thin. Let's move to the next picture. Inside and outside, there is a cage. There is a bird in the cage, so it is inside. INSIDE, inside, and OUTSIDE, outside. So opposite inside, opposite outside, outside opposite inside. In, inside, and outside. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Boy opposite girl. The boy is having car and ball. These are toys. So BOY, boy, and opposite gender girl, GIRL, girl. You can say boy opposite girl or girl opposite boy. Let's move to next picture. Untidy and tidy. The first girl is very tidy, 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 and the second one UNTIDY, untidy. So untidy opposite tidy, or you can say tidy opposite untidy. Okay, these are some spellings which we learn here in our today's session. So this is blunt opposite sharp. Okay, let's move to our next frame. Light opposite heavy. Okay. Okay, let's move here. This one is quiet opposite noisy. Okay, so now next, fat opposite thin. Fat opposite thin. Fat opposite thin. Okay, now let's move to next picture. Inside opposite outside. Inside opposite outside. Now next picture. Boy opposite girl. Boy opposite girl. Now let's move the tidy opposite untidy. Okay, so these are some words we today learn this. And now student, look at the whole chart. In the chart, this is a one another word, dry versus wet. DRY, dry. Sun is here and the boy is very dry, and here's rain is going on, so the boy is wet. So the one another word, dry, wet, which we are missing here. And let's see, is there any another word which is missing by happy and sad. The first girl was sad, 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 and the other girl was very happy and smiling. So happy versus sad, HAPPY, happy, SAD, sad. Okay, all these words, learn it, practice it, draw this picture as you can possible, as you can draw it, color it, learn this word, copy this word, and try to pronounce and memorize it or learn it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.